So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aquafina. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to know if your mollyfish is pregnant or not. So during pregnancy, a mollyfish goes through several physical and behavioral changes that can be easily identified by a keen eyes. The first sign become visible 7 to 10 days after fertilization, while others appear throughout the pregnancy. So it's also important to keep a close eye on your mollyfish throughout the pregnancy period, specifically during the last few weeks to prepare for the flowering stage. With that in mind, here are some of the most common way to identify if your mollyfish is pregnant or not. And the first sign is swollen belly with a dark spot. The most apparent and the easiest sign to spot in pregnant molly is a swollen belly. You will also notice a blackish spot on line running down her stomach, which are the eyes of the fry. The pregnant molly's baby will also continue to become plumper and rounder as her pregnancy progresses. However, this sign is usually relevant in the first few weeks of pregnancy as mollies don't develop a swollen belly immediately after fertilization. Moreover, the black molly spot isn't visible on darker colored molly, so you will have to keep an eye out on their abdomen. And the second sign is aggression and isolated behavior. It's quite normal for a molly to become protective and slightly aggressive towards other tangmates during pregnancy. This is an intellectual defense mechanism, but the aggression is purely dangerous or harmful. But more than fighting, molly prefer hiding and isolating to protect themselves and their soon to be born fry. So in the last week of gestation period, you will notice that your molly will become significantly more isolated and will spend most of its time near the bottom of the tank. What they are actually doing is finding a safe place to give birth where they can be safe from the attack and protect their fry as well. And the third sign is changing appetite. So after fertilization, a molly's appetite starts increasing to meet her increasing nutritional needs. You will notice that she will become extra active during feeding time and might even fight other fish for food, so make sure there's enough food to eat for everyone. But as the layering stage nears, the molly's appetite will start decreasing and she will spend most of the time in isolation. Though it might be difficult to identify when a mollyfish is eating more or less, you will notice a change in their eagerness to eat if you keep a close eye on them. So the next sign is black line on her belly will be visible. So this is a great sign if you have molly that are light in color. So black spot close to the anal vent is also a proven sign that she is pregnant. These black spots are actually the baby you can see. So the best way to protect fry from being eaten is to separate them from the adult fish before they are born. You can do this in the two ways, by moving your pregnant molly to a separate tank or a breeding box. So the next step is shifting the pregnant molly to a new tank is typically the best option as it gives the fry more freedom and allow you to give them special attention. You can adjust the temperature and water parameter as per their needs, and the fry will also have more space to swim safely in a separate tank. However, you will need to prepare this tank in advance. To do this, make sure that the water parameters are the same as your main tank so that your pregnant molly doesn't become stressed after being shifted. So these are all information regarding how to know if your mollyfish is pregnant or not. I hope this video will definitely help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.